Okay, so you want to unlink your PS4 and PS5 from Roblox? Well, I have the solution for you. It's very simple. Imagine that I'm playing on my PS4 or my PS5. The only thing you have to do is go to the right corner of your screen and check the three dots. They are not appearing here because I'm not in my PS4. But imagine that it's these three dots here. You have to go to settings, and then right in the bottom you will find the button to unlink this account. So when you that so when you do that, the PS4 or PS5 will be unlinked and you can create a new account or play in another account. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video of Easy Way. And remember that I have a lot of tutorials for Roblox, so you can check it out in my channel. And with nothing more to say, goodbye and see you next time. Easy Way.